Hello, friends. Thank you so much for coming on this journey with me. I am so excited to let you know just kind of a series of events that have all led to this creation of the healing place. So, as many of you know, I love working with people to receive healing. I feel very privileged that I get to work with beautiful healing gifts that Jesus Christ has given me. And I'm so grateful to work at his side to help bring healing into the lives of so many of his precious children. And I'm so grateful that I get to do it. Unfortunately, at the beginning of last year, I received some divine instructions that I should take care of myself and work on healing me. And as some of you know, I have 7 children. I have popped out, 7 babies in the last 13 years, and my body has taken quite the toll. And so it was wisdom in God that I spend the last year working on healing myself. And that has been a remarkable and incredible journey. And I have worked so hard on working on myself, and now I am so excited to start working again with some of you to open up those healing doors, to remind you of God's healing power, and to welcome that into your life once again. So, the format that we're going to be using, if you are familiar with what I have been doing with Cinch, which is the Coalition of Independent Natural Christian Healers, we have created a group where we shared insight, wisdom, healing modalities, and all that based on principles of God, Jesus Christ, the Bible, scriptures, things like that. And it's been beautiful. And now I think I am at the point where I'm ready to open up the healing place. Now, the healing place is a group of people who all want to get together and converge in one place to receive healing, to watch how healing happens, to watch and learn, and to get questions answered. And I'm really excited that I get to share this with you because it's such a wonderful and big deal to me. So, what it's going to look like is there is a Facebook page called The Healing Place. So go on there and find it. It's got this beautiful plant-looking art piece as the image. It's beautiful. And so go there and request to join. Each month on the second Tuesday of the month at 8 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time, I am going to open up a video. It's going to be absolutely free, but you do have to register so I can keep track of the people coming up. I want to make sure it's respectful. I want to make sure only those who can be respectful of other people are going to be on. And so it will be a place where we can get on and you can ask about your healing concerns, receive healing help in the meeting, or simply just sit back and watch as healing is explained and different things that actually work and help and are wonderful and beautiful gifts from God. So if that interests you, feel free to come to the Healing Place Facebook group. And once you've done that, you can also register for those live videos. But in the meantime, in the Facebook group, it's going to be a beautiful opportunity to come and see other people who are so interested in healing their lives and putting the Savior, Jesus Christ, as the forefront in their lives, in their healing journey. So thank you so much for watching. I'm really excited to dive back in and share the skills and resources that I have. As many of you know, I am an emotion code practitioner, a body code practitioner. I've worked with reflexology, flowology. I am a homeopath. I do a lot of different things, abundance coaching, so many things. And so I'm so excited to share with you the resources I have. And there are also other practitioners that I am going to invite to join in the live video. And it's not going to be recorded because we want to keep everyone's privacy when we're doing these healing sessions. But you can get on and we can all learn together. There will be other practitioners who I choose to be invited connected and they can also share insights. So in those, we have a life coach, we have an herbalist, we have a sacred geometry designer and guided visualization practitioner, and many, many, many more resources in those groups. And we have more practitioners coming to join in, so it will be wonderful. I'm sure that the day that you come and are looking for answers, the very practitioners that you need are going to be on there ready for you. I just have that intention that God will deliver that, and I will be there too. I will be there at all of them. So definitely come aboard. Definitely come with respect in your hearts, love of God in your hearts, whatever faith you can manage to muster to these sessions, your prayers in your heart, and we will just have such a beautiful time together. So, in the meantime, jump over to the Facebook group where we can ask questions and kind of keep the conversation going with healing and insights and what resources are available and all of those wonderful things. I just ask that you be respectful, that you realize everyone is on their own journey and we're all here to on earth to help each other and to transform and to heal. And so I hope to see you in the Healing Place group. It's so good to see you. Thanks so much for being here and thanks for all your patience with me as I have had to transition from working on a regular basis with clients ongoing to needing to take that time for myself and then opening this back up to a healing place where everyone can receive healing if they are honest and open and ready. And I'm so grateful that you stopped by. Thank you for watching. Have a wonderful day, and I will see you over in the healing place. Take care.